Hello friends, recently I have been working on a project to migrate a dashboard from Power BI to Python. As we know, Power BI is a license-based tool and every user has to get their own license. It is also needs to be installed on Windows systems. It cannot be deployed on Linux systems or Mac. Mac I think can be done, but mostly it is reliable on Windows. But then in that case, it becomes very difficult to get it through a web portal or deploy on the containers. That is the reason we have been exploring a solution which can replace similar kind of dashboards with similar level of capability and provide same level of visibility, intuitive dashboards using Python or some other kind of solution. So when I started exploring this solution, frankly, I never thought that Python would be that much powerful, or we can achieve such beautiful dashboards with Python DAS also. And I have been looking into solutions or videos on different internet forums and different Python portals also, or different YouTube videos, but I could not find a very intuitive dashboard which is easily created or easily made. And gradually, step by step, when I started doing this migration part, I understood the power and capabilities of Power BI dashboards. On top of that or beyond that, Python dashboards. So let me show you that the example which has been there, and you can see that this is the dashboard which is there, and this was the dashboard which I was given to convert into a Python dashboard, or to be made it available through a web browser to different team members to reduce the license cost, etc. And this is where I started. So when I started working, frankly, it was not that good. So let me show you the first version or the draft version of this dashboard. This was the first version of dashboard which I created, and gradually you will see with new versions coming up, you will see the kind of enhancements I have made. So this is the next version which I have been able to. So in this previous version, you can see the screen was not fully covered. The next version, I tried to cover the complete screen, and then in the next version you would be able to see that I'm making a bit of enhancements using the colors, like these colors, so that we can show the status of the values also. Then this is where I got the next version. I have been able to add some visibility here also using pictures. And if I take it further, so when you see the final version of it, you will be very surprised to see and compare it with the Power BI. And this is the a better version of that. So you will be able to see now this has been streamlined. These charts are looking much better. However, the spacing and the gap here is still a concern. So we wanted to use this in a better manner, so that space is utilized in way more efficient manner. Now this is also, you see, minor changes here. And if I go to the next version, then you would see we have increased the size here a bit, and these values are also visible here. These charts are there. Now I have changed the theme in the next version. So from the lighter theme I went to the dark theme, and I have modified some of the concepts and some of the values, and then you will see how exactly it reflects here. So this is where the new version is. We have utilized the space here better manner, and this one, but the colors are actually faded here. So let's go into the next version. Now you see this color is also looking very efficient. The status values are showing very efficiently. The space is very efficiently used. You can see a lot of charts and values are being provided here. Let me make some space here, so you will be able to see all these charts also. You can see the word map here completely. Now let me go to the next page, and here you will see even better manner. So these charts has been the size has been increased a bit. These boxes have been made rectangular boxes, and this is the final version which I have prepared. And this final version, you can see that we have good amount of information available. Information is beautifully available. So if you compare this with the Python BI version, so this is the Python BI version, and this is the this is the Power BI version, and this is the Python version. So you will be able to see the difference. Actually, Python DAS is looking much more beautiful compared to Power BI. So this is what at least I get the sense. If you also want to learn this and how exactly I created this dashboard step by step, how I utilize the spaces in better manner. I will provide you the complete code also, and other than the code I will provide you and explain an explanation of the code, so you will be able to do it by yourself. Here in this case I have used Power BI, chat gpt also. I have used chat gpt a lot, and that will help you utilizing the AI also, the power of AI, how you can code faster using the AI or chat gpt or some other kind of AI solutions. So that is also going to learn in this in the coming video. So as of now, you let me know how exactly you feel. What do you think about this comparison? Do you think the Power BI and Python is something which can be compared, and Python can replace Power BI if required? So we'll see that, and do let me know your views in the coming video. I will explain the complete code. I will share the code also with you so that you can use it in your cases also. Bye, take care.